Hello students, in today's lecture we will learn how to find greatest of three numbers using ternary operator and infinite for loop. In the main function, we have declared four variables A, B, C and choice of type int. Now we have infinite for loop for and then two semicolon, which means condition in for is always true. Now in for loop, printf statement print enter any three numbers. Using scanf, user enter value of A, B and C. Now we have ternary operator. Here expression 1 is A is greater than B. So expression 1 is evaluated, which can be true or false. If expression 1 is true, then expression 2 is executed. Otherwise, expression 3 is executed. Suppose user enter value of A, B and C as 3, 2 and 1. Now expression 1 is evaluated. A is greater than B, 3 is greater than 2, which is true. So expression 2 is executed. In expression 2, we have again used ternary operator. A is greater than C, 3 is greater than 1, which is true. So printf statement print 3 is greatest. Now printf statement print, do you want to continue? Press 1 or 0. Using scanf, user enter value of choice. If choice is 1, then continue the process. And if choice is 0, then if condition will become true and break statement inside if will bring the control out of infinite for loop. And our program ends here. Here is the output. Enter any three numbers. User enter 3, 2 and 1. 3 is greatest. Do you want to continue? Press 1 or 0. User press 1. Again, enter any three numbers. User enter 10, 5 and 2. 10 is greatest. Do you want to continue? Press 1 or 0. User press 0 to stop the process. So we end our lecture today. Thank you.